I filmed this last time I was here. I didn't realise what it was, but in fact it's the oldest house in Marseille. The last remaining oldest house in Marseille. There you go. I'll find out where it dates from. So part of it is now a hair salon, and it dates from, wait for it, I'll tell you in a minute. I'll put it on the screen, okay? The oldest house in Marseille dates from the 16th century. I am reliably told. So this is the oldest maker of pastis in Marseille, Christophe Le Magnana. It was founded in 1884, but it looks like it's closed. This is the oldest and the only, I've just been told, pastis house in Marseille. Now you probably all know Ricard, Berger and Pernod. This is the last one, and it's all pretty artisanal. Well, I've just walked 17 kilometres around Marseille this afternoon. It's quite warm, 27, 28 degrees. Very nice blue sky, lovely. And I'm now going to go for the, I suppose you wouldn't call it a national drink, but it's called the drink of Marseille, which is pastis. I went to the pastis maker earlier, but didn't get a chance to go around. I didn't want to bother the woman too much. It's the end of the day on a bank holiday weekend, so we're going to go to a bar and then call my son to join us, and we'll have a pastis for the aperitif in the sun of the. So as you probably know, or you don't know, whatever, I'm not the biggest football fan in the world, but tonight we're going to watch a match of Olympique de Marseille against who?
Brest.
Against Brest. Wow. So we'll get to the stadium.
Second against the fourth.
The what?
The second against the 40th.
Well, the second against the worst ones, apparently. So hopefully this will rekindle my love of football. We'll see. And we'll see at the stadium. That's 90 minutes I will never get back again. Watched a really exciting match, that may be irony, and it was 2-1 to Brest. Marseille lost and they've just been booed off the pitch, but it was good atmosphere and I really enjoyed it, so it was worth coming. Marseille winning the Ligue des Champions 30 years ago. And there's lots of people here. And it seems all in good fun.
Allez, encore 2 petites minutes.
So here we are, finally we've got a Marseille bike going. My first one was a flat tyre, so we had to wait like half an hour to get another one. Now we've got one and we're off to the corniche, and there'll be a fun fact on the way. So beautiful day in Marseille, it's mega warm, and voila, we're right next to the port and soon be by the sea. That is a backdrop then. On a Marseille bike, really cool, and you've got the sea behind you going along the corniche, and it's absolutely fabulous. I've just lost my son. There he is down there. Right, so fabulous day, beautiful weather, and we're on the bikes in Marseille. What could be better?